metallic floor, vinyl. And that is a perfect joint. I have to say, I love this type of floor. It's easy to do, it's easy to maintain, and of course it's easy to install. Love it. Alright guys, one small thing to say before getting forward with this type of job. I think this type of floor, everybody can do it. Even a child. It's just click. That's it. And it's done. So without glue, without any fancy glue, you just need a cutter and the job is going to be done. Not much to say about luxury vinyl tile flooring. That's it, it's simple. Just put it in and you click. It's very easy to do. You just need to join them together. So let's get forward with our small job. And that is damaged. Okay, so I'm trying to do these small cuts here around the pipe. That is good stuff. No headaches. Easy to cut. Actually, very easy to cut. It's too easy. Yes. And we need another small cut around here. Now you can try to do that with laminate flooring. It's never going to work. Simple. You are never even going to say there is a joint there. Nice. And voila, it's done. Actually, vinyl tiles. Done. Now we just need to clean a little bit, and our floor, it's all done. So let's start cleaning. Okay, so we just finished with our vinyl click flooring. It looks okay. There are a few bits and pieces that need attention, like this small gap here. That is the only thing that I could say about this floor, that didn't go like I wanted, but it's not a big problem because it can be solved. Okay, so I was saying I'm going to take care of that small gap there at the end when I'm going to do all the finishes. Of course I'm going to seal all around the bath, and just to make sure that everything is watertight and none of the water is going to go into the floor under this vinyl flooring. And yes, that's it. More or less everything is done. Of course, missing all the finishing touches that I'm going to do at the end of this bathroom. And of course, I think you can see that on the other video that I'm going to do. Then at this point, try to squeeze that subscribe button and see you on the next one.